Hi everybody, myself Dr. Mesh, LASIK and cataract surgeon, Dr. Mesh, super specialty eye and laser center by Randeep Singh Ludhiana. Today we will discuss the World Glaucoma Week. Theme of this 2021 is of the World Glaucoma Week is the world is bright, save your sight. World is bright, save your sight. The theme reflects the hope that with the regular testing, people continue to see the world around us full of beauty, charm, and adventure. So, world is bright, save your sight. This is theme of the World Glaucoma Week of 2021. Let's discuss about this World Glaucoma Week. Glaucoma Week is a global initiative of the World Glaucoma Association in order to raise awareness on glaucoma. Through a series of engaging worldwide activities, patients, eye care providers, health officials, and general public are invited to contribute to sight preservations. The goal of is to alert everyone to have regular eye check, especially optic nerve checks, in order to detect glaucoma as early as possible. Each year, the World Glaucoma Week adopts a common theme which is adapted to local conditions and yet unifying our efforts. To be effective, community awareness projects need to be relevant for the general population. That means they need to be based locally and thus rely on the individual in each location to be actively involved, adopting the unifying global message into local culture. With glaucoma blindness, there are several issues that need to be addressed. Glaucoma usually gives no warnings until it advanced, but the damage it causes to the vision is ongoing and could become irreversible. Fortunately for many patients, treatment can halt the damage. That means the earlier the diagnosis, the more vision there to be saved and less likely to be the person to be become blind. Therefore, the World Glaucoma Week aims at alerting the members of the broader communities to the need of the regular simple eye check which allow early detection and hence the save the sight. Some patients have higher than the normal risk of the glaucoma. This includes people with who are the over age of 40, have family member with glaucoma, are of the African and Asian heritage. They are high eye pressure, they are far-sighted or nearsighted, they had an eye injury, they use the long-term steroid medications, they have the cornea that is thin in the center, they are thinning of the optic nerve, they have a diabetes, migraine, high blood pressure, poor blood circulation or other general health problems affecting the whole body. With your ophthalmologist about your risk for getting glaucoma. People with more than one of these above risk factors have an even higher risk of the glaucoma. Now we'll discuss how the glaucoma is diagnosed, which are the tests in which we can diagnose the glaucoma. To be safe and accurate, 5 factors should be checked before making a glaucoma diagnosis. Number 1, the inner eye pressure, that is called tonometry. Second, shape and color of the optic nerve with the ophthalmoscopy with the dilated eye examination. Third, complete field of vision, that is test is named perimetry visual field test. Fourth, angle in the eye where the iris meet the cornea, that is called gonioscopy of the cornea, that is pachymetry. Last is the OCT. Regular glaucoma checkup include two routine eye tests. One is tonometry, checking of the pressure, and ophthalmoscopy. That is must. If anyone wants about test, we have a dedicated our glaucoma clinic in our super specialty hospital. We do all tests of the above which we have mentioned with the international standards and equipments for to make a diagnosis also. Annual glaucoma checkup include two routine eye tests. One is the tonometry and ophthalmoscopy. If anyone wants investigations for the glaucoma, we have very dedicated glaucoma clinic in our super specialty hospital. We have all equipments of the international standards. These are must for the to make a diagnosis and follow for the glaucoma progression. Medications for the glaucoma, there need not to worry. There are good medicines now available. Glaucoma is usually controlled with the eye drop medications. Used every day, these eye drops lower the eye pressure. Some do by reducing the amount of the aqueous fluid in the eye mix. Second is other reduce the pressure by helping the fluid flow better through the drainage angles. Discuss the surgical treatment of the glaucoma. One is laser therapy. Laser trabeculoplasty is an option if you have the open angle glaucoma. It's done in your doctor's office. Your doctor uses the small laser beam to open the clogged channel in the trabecular meshwork. It may take few weeks before the full effect of the procedure become apparent. Second is filtration surgery. With surgical procedure that is called trabeculotomy, your surgeon create a opening in the white of the eye, that is sclera, and remove part of the trabecular meshwork. Drainage tubes. In this procedure, your eye surgeon insert a small tube shunt in your eye to drain away the excess fluid to lower your eye pressures. Fourth is minimal invasive glaucoma surgery, that is called as MIGS. Your doctor may suggest MIGS procedure to lower your eye pressure. These procedures generally requires less immediate post-operative care and they have less risk than the trabeculotomy or inserting the drainage device. There are other combined. These can be done combined with the cataract surgery. There are number of the MIGS techniques available, and your doctor will discuss which procedure you may be at for you. Procedures, you need to be see your doctor's follow-up examinations, and you may eventually need to undergo additional procedures if your eye pressure begins to rise or other changes occur in the eye. Request, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and share our video to others to save the sight of the general public from the glaucoma. So, from last message of our Mission Punarjot, Darkness Light, we would like to say blindness and never lose sight, spread awareness and cure glaucoma. Wish you a very happy and healthy glaucoma day. Of World Glaucoma Week, the world is bright, save your sight. The world is bright, save your sight. Dr. Ramesh.